each of the values of x and y will fulfill the equation. So each of them is going to be a point on the graph that you are going to draw. Aiden, Dylan, look here. Maths lesson. I don't know why you must choose to always look away. Okay. Meaning each pair of x and y, they are going to give you 1 point on the graph. So negative 4, 9 is going to give you a pair of coordinates. This is going to be a point on your graph. X is the horizontal direction, y is the vertical direction. So negative 4, 9 will give you a point on the graph. When x is negative 3, y is 4. So negative 3, 4 is going to give you another point on the graph. Similarly, negative 2, 1, the x and y. Negative 1, 0. 0, 1. 1, 4. 2, 9. Okay? So you are going to put all these points onto your graph paper. Meaning, on the horizontal side, let me just do a sketch here. I have a x and y axis. My x must be able to contain from -4 to +2. Okay? Meaning, my horizontal line here, I must have enough space on the paper to have at least a -4. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So on my graph paper, I need at least -4 to 2 on the horizontal side. Okay? And vertically, my y has 0, 1, 4. The biggest value is 9. Meaning, I want my graph paper to have space enough for a 9 at least at the top. Bottom, do I need so many space? -10, -9? Don't need, because the smallest value of y is 0. Okay? So my graph only need to have 0 and maybe a bit more, -1 or -2 enough already. That is how we see on the piece of graph paper, where are we going to draw our horizontal axis, where are we going to draw the vertical axis. It must be able to fit all my points inside. Okay? So from this sketch here, I roughly know on my graph paper, my x-axis will be close to the bottom. My y-axis will be close to the right side. Because here I only need 2. Here I need -4. Here I need 9. Here I don't need. In fact, just -2 is enough. So that is how you determine where you draw your axis on the graph paper. Okay? So, the question already tell us, use a scale of 2 cm to 1 unit on the horizontal x-axis. Meaning, on my graph paper, every big box like that is 2 cm. Okay? So if you look at your own graph paper, every 2 cm is a big box. Like that, between here to here will be 1 unit, another unit, another unit. Okay? Vertically also same. But vertically they say look at the entire piece of graph paper, I want to have 0 to at least 0 to 9 on the vertical axis. Okay? If you look at your table again, the largest y is 9. So, the largest y is 9 means towards the top, I need to have 10. Something that is a bit larger than my largest value. So I will want a 10 near to my top of the paper. Okay? Because my paper must contain at least until 9. So I will want a big box to be 10. Then I go and see if this is 10. Every 1 cm is 1 unit. Means 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Okay? Then I will have enough space. Means I can draw my x-axis here. If I draw my x-axis here, it will at least contain until 10 already. Okay? So, go back. 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. So this line is where I will draw my x-axis. Okay? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Definitely it will be enough to contain my entire graph. Then where I draw my y-axis, I need -4 and the right hand side is 2. So I see if I put this one as 2, every 2 cm is 1 unit. 2, 1, 0. -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay? Enough. So I can put here as 2, here as 1, here as 0. So if this is 0, this is where I can draw my vertical axis. Okay, this is my x-axis. Here